Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gift Uchechi, like you already know, and you're welcome. I hope you're having a very great day. So today I'll be teaching you how to style your Mohawk braid. So Mohawk braid is one very beautiful braid that is trendy right now, and you don't have to make your Mohawk braid and just wear it in one particular hairstyle. That is actually the beauty of this braid. So today I'll be showing different styles you can use to style your own Mohawk braid. And you do not have to be a professional to be able to style your own braid. That is the reason I brought together very simple styles you do yourself. You don't have to go to any hairstylist. You don't have to be a professional before you can do this. These are very simple styles that if you pay attention to this video, you'll be able to replicate this on your Mohawk braid. And this hairstyle is not just for only Mohawk braid. You can also do it in your normal box braid. You can also wear this style in your normal knotless braid, but specifically I used Mohawk braid, and that's the reason we'll be concentrating on that. So this is useful for you that is not a professional in hairstyling. Pay attention to this video and you'll be able to slay your hair in different styles in no time. So as I'm talking about this video, you can see the different styles changing. Just pay attention to the clips. You don't really have to just listen to my voice. Pay attention to the clips and you enjoy this video. If you're just coming across my channel, please do well to click on that subscribe button to be a part of this community. I really want you to be a part of this community because I'll be rolling out different hair tutorials, makeup. So if you want to learn how to do all of this, please click on that subscribe button and also click on the like button. Comment if you have anything to say, put it in the comment section and I'll be here to respond to you. Click on that share button, share to your friends, share to your family, share to those people you think we need this video. Thank you. So if you're yet to click on that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button to be a part of this community. Like, comment, share to your friends, share to your family. Thank you so much for stopping by and I will see you in my next video. Bye.